Family, what is up? Listen, I missed you guys so much. October was a crazy month for me. And I wanted to take the time in October to really reevaluate my life, reevaluate my brand, my YouTube channel, so I can make sure moving forward that I'm giving you the best content possible. So, and it was my birthday in October. I turned the big age of 29, so RIP to my 20s. I'm gonna make sure that I try to live this last year of my 20s to the best of my possible abilities, okay? If you're 29, you feel me on that. But in this video, I'm gonna teach you the three main strategies or the three main ways that people make money with Instagram. And you can start doing that right now, 2021, 2022. These concepts are gonna remain the same. And you definitely wanna watch the full video because the people that make the most money on Instagram utilize all three. So you definitely don't wanna skip around, watch the full video. But without further ado, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so let's get into the first way that you can start making money with Instagram right now, and that is by selling your own products and services, okay? That is one of the best ways to start making money with Instagram. Now, I will say, depending on the type of product or services that you sell, Instagram is either gonna work really well for you or not so much. I will say product-based businesses, when it comes to actually converting, your audience into paying customers, is a lot easier than service-based businesses. Reason being is that how Instagram is already set up, especially if you have any type of fashion brand or apparel, or you're selling some type of product, right? Instagram has now instituted in their menu system kind of this little shopping bag, okay? And if you click that shopping bag, I'm gonna have it up here on the screen, it's gonna automatically show you, different type of products that you would probably be interested. And that is amazing for anybody that is doing e-commerce right now. So me personally, I have a brand called Movements Over Barriers. I'm gonna show y'all a shirt, man. Y'all need to get a shirt, a hoodie, all that. Hold on 1 second. Boom, I'm back. So I got this hoodie here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, y'all can see it. Fire. You feel me? Champion. Oh, come on, baby, focus. Yeah, champion. So I have a fashion brand called Movements Over Barriers. So that's the product that I sell. So yeah, you definitely want to figure out what products that you can sell for your own business, and make sure that you use the shopping feature on Instagram so you can tag your items and people can write on Instagram, click your photo, and go straight to your product. So for product-based businesses, Instagram is really elite right now, to be honest with you. So you want to make sure that you take advantage of that feature for your product-based business. Now, from a service-based business, I will say Instagram doesn't work as well to actually convert customers into paying clients. It's not as easy. And what I mean by not as easy is that it's you can't do it natively on the platform. You have to obviously get them off of Instagram into some type of funnel or onto your website. You have to use some type of call to action to get people off Instagram into another place. You can't just do conversion straight from Instagram. However, Instagram is amazing for building those relationships. So, if you can build relationships with your Instagram account, it makes it 10 times easier to then get them off the platform, into your funnel, into, a consulting call or anything like that. So either way, Instagram is perfect for product and service-based businesses. So if you don't have a product, you don't have a service, I would really recommend you think about, what are your skill sets? What could you offer somebody? Digital products right now are going like crazy. So if you can create an ebook, or if you can create something that, monetizes your knowledge, that is one of the best and easiest ways to start making money with Instagram, okay? So if you can create some type of online course because you're very educated and cooking, or you're educated in marketing like myself, or you're educated in whatever, there's somebody out there that is ideal for, and all you have to do is package it, and sell it on the platform and just mention it. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you having some type of product or service to sell on Instagram. It's elite, okay? I promise you. I promise you. All right, you guys, so the second way to start making money with Instagram is through affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing, all that is that you're selling somebody else's products and services and you make a commission off of it. So if you can't think of a product or service that you want to create for yourself, sell somebody else's, okay? And one of my favorite affiliate programs out right now is Amazon affiliates. Everybody and their mama, okay, has an Amazon account. You shop on Amazon. And if you recommend products and services through Amazon affiliates, you will start making commissions off of it. Now, I'm gonna be honest, you are gonna need a lot of traffic, a lot of eyeballs on your affiliate links to start making any type of real money. And real is really just dependent on the person, right? Because there's people that if you just make $100 extra a month, that's dope. But if you're trying to make thousands of dollars and replace your full-time income, you will need, to be very honest with you and transparent, a lot of views, a lot of eyeballs on your content to actually convert into real sales through Amazon affiliates, because their commissions aren't very high. You're typically gonna get anywhere between 1 to about 10%, and 10% is on the highest end. Most fall within the 1 to 5% category on Amazon. Make sure that you check out the Amazon affiliates. They'll show you like your payouts, and they change and fluctuate depending on, however Amazon feels at the time. So definitely Amazon affiliates is a really, really good way to start making different income on the platform through affiliate marketing. Also, 9 times out of 10, depending on what type of niche that you're in, you can check out different affiliate programs. For me, I'm in the digital marketing niche, so a lot of the softwares and the programs that I use have some level of affiliate system with them. So what I typically do in my YouTube videos, on my Instagram, I typically leave an affiliate link in my bio or in the description on YouTube, and then on Instagram, I normally mention it. So if anybody signs up, I normally get paid, for the subscription. So affiliate marketing is amazing. Definitely check it out. It is very easy to get into affiliate marketing. I'm probably gonna make a full video on it. I know I probably said that before, but I don't wanna get too in depth because there's so much that goes on with affiliate marketing that you need to learn. But affiliate marketing is a really, really good way to start making money on Instagram. All right, you guys, so the third and final way that most people make money with Instagram is through brand deals and influencer marketing, okay? Now, hear me out, because I know all my ladies, right? Everybody want to be a Savage Fenty model, and boo-boo, do you, okay? You're beautiful, you know what I'm saying? But you have to have some level of influence, which means you have a certain follower count that would attract a brand or business to work with you. Or you have to be in a specific niche that the brand feels as though that your audience correlates with their product or service, okay? Now, depending on how many followers you have, you may fall into, a micro influencer, which I would say is about 1,000 to 10,000. And then some people even, equate that to about 100,000 is still micro, depending on the business and the brand. And then obviously you have the big time influencers, which is about 100,000 and up. And depending on the brand's budget, they will either send you out free stuff or they'll send you out the product or service and pay you. I just want you guys to know, depending on your influence and your audience and your niche, whoever sends you stuff, you kind of have to negotiate what you think is fair for your audience and how much sales you can tangibly generate for that brand or business. Also, once you get a very good following and good influence on the Instagram platform, Instagram has a lot of cool ways that you can monetize your platform further that aren't naturally built into the Instagram ecosystem. And I'll kind of explain, right? So take somebody like Gary Vee. Right now, Instagram has implemented pinned comment. So if Gary Vee wanted to make some extra cash, he could literally charge people for pinned comments because he knows there's gonna be a substantial amount of eyeballs that look at the pinned comment. So if you have 10,000 or 100,000 followers in the beauty niche, and there's beauty brands that are reaching out to you, you can charge them some money for a pinned comment, right? Or you can charge those brands or marketers, right, money to make a post on your account. So those are two easy ways that you can generate income with your Instagram once you build that following outside of, doing just brand deals and, shouting out their products and services, right? So there's so many ways that you can kind of be creative on making money with the Instagram platform once you have a good level of influence. Now, obviously, everything that I touched on in this video were the three main ways that most people make money on the Instagram platform. Obviously, there are other ways that you can make money, but I wanted to give you the three best ways that if you use them appropriately, you can definitely make a good income, even a full-time income by just utilizing Instagram alone. So I really, really hope that this helps you out, that you can start making that Instagram money. If you like the video, make sure that you thumbs it up. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Until next time, peace.